Departments, folders, PDFs everywhere. Managing scattered files across teams? There's a better way. Drowning in hundreds of unorganized PDFs? Watch AI File Pro instantly transform chaos into a structured, searchable folder system, automatically organized by subject and teacher in seconds. Add, edit, or remove file watches to monitor any folder. AI File Pro automatically organizes new files as they arrive, keeping your structure current without manual effort. AI File Pro automatically reads your documents, intelligently categorizes them into organized folder structures, and places files exactly where they belong, instantly. Transform chaos into clarity. Watch your files automatically organize into logical hierarchies, cutting search time in half. AI File Pro delivers instant findability. Choose local, network, or cloud storage, then save your organized files securely anywhere you need.